WordUp is completely personalised. It will teach you the most important words that you don't know yet, and it will make sure that you remember them forever. But for it to know which words to teach you, it should first find out which words you already know, and which ones you should learn. So this is how it works. The most important element of your WordUp account is your knowledge map. At the top of this page, you will see a summary of how many English words you know in total. This is an estimation, based on your assessment test, and also your activities within WordUp. Below that, you'll see the word range boxes. The top one represents the 1,000 most frequently used words in English. These are also the easiest ones because they're the most essential and basic words. The second box shows the second 1,000 most frequently used words, and so on. These words are still relatively easy and common, but slightly more difficult than the top range. The list goes on, with every range getting more difficult and the words being less frequently used. If you know every word in the top range, that's enough to understand 70% of all conversations. If you learn everything from the top 3 ranges, you'll understand 90% of all conversations, and so on. The native adult English speaker knows about 15,000 words, and an average 8-year-old knows about 6,000. It's a life journey. No one knows every English word, but the more you learn, the better you can understand and communicate. If you want to be completely thorough, start from the top to make sure you're not missing any important words. Although you probably know most of them, so it can take longer to discover the words you should learn. So to get started quickly, WordUp is recommending a more difficult range, which means it's quicker to discover words to learn. Tap Continue. WordUp has picked a batch of 20 words from that range. For each one, quickly decide if you already know it or not. So I just reviewed 20 words to discover 2 important words to learn. Also, WordUp knows not to bother you with the other 18 words ever again. Also, I've uncovered my knowledge of 20 words, which is 2% of the 1,000 range. Now you can continue or tap enough. It only takes 10 to 15 minutes to complete a full range. Over a few days, you can complete your knowledge map and then benefit from it throughout your life.